So Ben, our BMX star, in the BMXing videos, has decided that he wants to have 90-degree outlets on the intercooler of his C18 S13 drift missile. Of course, he's given me some lovely cast Chinese bins, and he's used Chinese intercooler. I've got no doubt that this is made from nothing but the most premium grade aluminium and won't have any contamination at all, so this should be easy. Of course, Ben wants a 2.5-inch outlet or inlet on this side, and it doesn't fit because it's a 3-inch on the intercooler. That's going to be fun. Alright, to overcome the diameter problem, I just cut the ring, cut a little slot in the 3-inch ring and squeezed it down a bit over the 2.5-inch pipe. Now I'll weld that onto the bend first, and then I'll weld it on the end of the cooler, probably port it out a bit so that the poor little CA18's got a hope of making a little bit of power, and it should be good. So next I've got to try and clean some of this grey crap off and see if it welds. So I reckon a lot of preheat and a lot of cleaning when I get into the actual welding. Alright, that's done. So next I just want to do some work on this inner lip to sort of port it in from 3-inch to 2-inch a little bit better, so that we don't starve the poor old C18 for air. Seeing as I got out of welding the other pieces together pretty lightly, I suppose even Chinese casting's fairly clean to start with, now I have to deal with welding this crusty old intercooler. First of all I'm going to file all the crap off it and then just hope it hasn't had too much oil and crap soak into it. Right, so now I've cleaned up the ends. It's pretty satisfactorily. I guess I'll try and get the book of bad language out and try and weld it on there, I suppose. Right, so with a fair bit of cleaning dialed in and a whole heap of heat and patience, this is actually welding fairly well. I don't think it's going to be a problem at all. Famous last words. There we go, side one done. Nothing weld porn, but it's definitely on there. Should hold a bit of boost. Of course, the worst parts are the bits you can see, as with any weld. Alright, on to side two. This should go fairly smoothly. All done. Probably committed every aluminium welding sin known to man, but it hasn't actually come out too badly. It didn't even swear. I didn't dip the tip even once welding those on, so I'm fairly happy. Hopefully it keeps Ben happy when he puts 40 psi up this C18 and does some mad skids. As for the welding settings, I've got a thumb control on the machine, but sort of sat around 80 to 100 amps mostly. Fair bit of clean area width for this machine, much more than it actually melts the tip off. No pulse, so none of the other settings come into it. Cheers, thanks for watching.